Lensless imaging with compressive ultrafast sensing. Efficient lensless imaging with a femtopixel. In our system, the scene is illuminated with a pulsed source that is modulated with a mask. Light is reflected from the scene to the detector. The detector is ultrafast and time tags photons as they arrive. Photons from sources close to the detector, like the red dot, arrive before photons from further sources, like the orange and yellow dots. The measurements with different patterns are used to computationally reconstruct the scene. Time-resolved detectors require fewer patterns compared to traditional single-pixel camera. In this example, our method is 50 times more efficient. In the paper, we provide a design framework to answer questions like, how many detectors should we use and where should we place them? What is the required time resolution? And how many patterns should we use? We also suggest a method to optimize the patterns so that less measurements are needed and the acquisition is even faster. So we can design systems with desired performance. Here we demonstrate 3 different systems with one detector with 40 picoseconds, or for even faster acquisition, one detector with 20 picoseconds. Or to maintain a fast acquisition with a simpler hardware, 2 detectors with 40 picoseconds. Lensless imaging with compressive time result measurement is significantly more efficient compared to regular single-pixel camera. We provide a design framework for lensless and single-pixel camera, including sensor placement algorithm and illumination pattern optimization.